Ready, go. What? Go. Not gonna work. It's not gonna work, Shadow. Keep trying. Oh. Really hard. Oh, you just got smacked down. Bye. It's the end of my turn, and now it'll be Kai's turn.
Guys, today I'm gonna open my truck. Can you open this? I don't. My truck. The color of the wheel is black, and also these are gray. I have my helicopter here.
It includes this helicopter and charger. And it also can hover on surface, so hovers above surface, controls the helicopter with the palm of your hand, and rechargeable like this.
This is our Dollarama toy review. And also, this is not it's not remote controlled. And also, don't give this to under 4-year-old. Yeah. Bye guys. See you on the next video. Please like, subscribe.